I'll show you guys real quick again what I'm working with here. You can see this was me busting up the edge. Look at the size of the rock in this concrete. And then it jives out like there's a little footing. And then that's that small round stone I was telling you guys about down here. From down here to right here, this is like 22 inches. This is a 7-ton excavator. He said that the hammer's rated 750 pounds. This concrete is probably 200 years old and 22 inches thick. Say this is breaking up beautifully. Let's watch this edge here. Look at that. Made my cut. I guess that did help a little bit. I think old girl over here was getting a little jealous. I told her not to worry, she's going to be in some action soon. Get ready to take this tilt bucket off and put on my little 1-foot bucket, which is, the little 1-foot bucket is perfect with the thumb for grabbing small stuff. So I'm going to use it to clear all those chunks out of the way that are over there. And then I'll get back over with the big machine and break up what's left near the porch. It has a little bit of weight to it. It's all right. All back on 3. Oh, there we go. This thing, you get the right angle, it goes right in. That's it. I've been trying to perfect my concrete tossing skills here. The bigger pieces, it's a little easier. There we go, look at that, right on the pile. You know, I had a guy comment on one of my videos the other day. He said if one of his operators operated his machine like the way I operate mine, he would fire him. I thought that was a little harsh. I know I'm not the best operator. I only have a few hundred hours under my belt. I didn't think I was that bad. Anyways, though, that kind of comes with the territory. As soon as you start putting stuff online, you know, I mean, I mainly get positive feedback, but you always get a couple people who might not like what you're doing. So there it is. It's all broken up. I got all the big pieces out. Some of this small little rubble is fine. I'm gonna come in with the tilt bucket on my excavator tomorrow, and I'll dig this out nice and smooth. The new patio is actually going to come out to about here somewhere. I got to measure. It's going to be 10 feet off the house, I think is what we planned. He's getting a new roof put on, like an awning, I guess you would call it, the front porch awning. And the roofers came and they poured these footers. There's 4 of them. One here, you see, one there, and then down at the end. So I had to be mindful of them. Wasn't that big of a deal.